Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. It's Carolyn with Deranhomestylingstaging and Staging. I'm just going to do a quick little decorative vignette to show you how I use some items. Most of these items I got from Vintage Vibe in Mansfield, Texas. It's a wonderful store I go to all the time. So I had this little kind of birdcage looking thing, and then I have these wonderful kind of dark green little glass vase type things, and those ran me about $5 or $6 a piece. And then I have just some little journals I collected over time. I get them as gifts and I buy them for people, so I'm going to be using those. And then I'll be using this just kind of a matte candle holder, and then just a candle. That's going to be my first one. Oh, and I'll be using this, which is something decorative I made. I saw it on YouTube, and I saw where the lady painted the bottle. So I painted mine's matte black, and then I used potpourri to make the flowers. And this was the actual bottle. It was from a Douce bottle. So I just took all of those markings off, and that's what that looks like. So that's what we'll be using. But I'll start out, and I just have some greenery and some flowers that I also got from Vintage Vibe. So I'm going to start off just by putting those right inside there. And I just want them kind of free. So I'm going to stick those in there. And then I'm going to take my journals and I'm going to stick those right next to it. So those go right there. Turn that greenery around. So I stuck the journals right next to it, and then I took my candle and put it right there. And so that's what that looks like. And it's just a cute little decorative thing. And I actually have it on my entryway table. So this is what that looks like. Now, a couple of other items that I got yesterday. I got this candle holder from Vintage Vibe, and it has like a marble bottom, or a marble like, and it was $14, but it's gold, and this is the medium one. They had short, medium, and tall, but I love it. Vintage Vibe. And then I got this fluted plate fluted bowl, and it's made out of resin, and it's very pretty. It's very heavy, so I'll be styling that on an upcoming video, but I love that. And then I got some more flowers from Vintage Vibe. So I have some different orchids, which I use a lot, so that's that. So this is very simple for you to do, and you can just kind of ad lib and use whatever you have. I like to use things I have at home, and I just kind of move them around the house and put them in different places, but sometimes I end up painting them, just doing different things to them. So be creative and make it a great day. Thank you.